Annabelle, why are you blocking my way?
Because I've not heard any news. Mirabel, it seems like you're underestimating what I can do when I'm angry. Don't let me unleash it on you. Do not!
Annabelle, please. I beg of you to understand that you are asking for the impossible. Besides, I'm the wrongest person you should be having this conversation with.
Oh, really? So now you want to back out? It's not going to work for you. You're not backing out now. You think all those little gossips, every gossip you've been telling my mother, it has been working for you. It has galvanized her to bringing me back to this house. And you're okay. Now in that same vein, I want you to sway that decision as soon as possible.
Annabelle, I don't know anything about the decision making. Please.
Why are you lying? Why are you telling lies? My mother has spoken to you about me countless times and you will not deny it. Mirabel, I am giving you 1 week to make me leave this house. Else, don't dare me. Do not try me.
Annabelle!
Do not try me. I got my eyes on you.
Take this, Mrs. Young. Thank you, Ma. Now, all of you are going to work in different categories with all amount of brilliant exhibition. You will not understand the ordeal I'm facing in the hands of my daughter. I realized that is no longer an individual influence, rather, it's a collective effort now. Mrs. Ian.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll be traveling first thing tomorrow morning.
Okay.
My daughter is in your hands, which is why I gave you those keys. Now listen, on no circumstance should my daughter leave this house.
Yes, ma'am.
And you?
Mommy.
Never will you allow my daughter pass through that gate and live in this premises. Hey, are we on the same page?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good. Let me not return and hear that you people made mistakes, especially you. I will not listen to that. If you dare try it, then will you see the other side of me? And you will not like it. I promise you.
Yes.
Now, if there's any question, you're free to throw. If there's none, then you all can disperse.
Thank you, Ma.
Thank you, Ma. May God lead you safely to your destination, Ma.
Thank you, Mrs. Eyan.
Go to the gates.
Get out. Mommy, how could you?
How can you treat your own daughter as trash, like a slave? Why?
Now, if making you go through the pains you're making me go through right now, for you to regard me, believe me, I would do it. 131%, I will.
What are you talking about? Assigning your staff to hold me captive. It's not nice, Mom. It's not cool. It's bad. I mean, are they even better than I am? Your own blood, Mom. Your own blood.
Annabelle, I made promise to myself that I will no longer talk to you after our last conversation. But you listen to me. You are not, I repeat, you are not leaving this house till you have become a better version of yourself. I will not allow you go out.
Mommy, this is not fair now. This is so unfair. This is not fair. Why would you do that, Mom? Where is this? Let me find it. It's cold. Oh, shit.
If I go use hammer, knock up. No, say passive with my condition. You know they take life hot in a hurry. You knock quack 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 quack. Oh yeah? Who you be?
Please, can you open the gate? I'm here to see you.
Oh, now woman, they knock this gate like say na welder. Huh? Hey, wait there. Wait there. You see this compound? The way they look at like this is under restriction. No going in, no going out. If you enter inside, you know they come out again. No so problem. As you go outside, you know they enter. You want to be no problem. I said you know they enter inside, you say no problem.
Who are you to stop me? Common gatesman will stop me from seeing my friend Annabelle. For what?
You say?
Oga, please.
Come, let me tell you something. Make her no unleash what in I carry for.
Oga, please.
I'm going to destroy what did they worry you? So as you find like this, now fish brain, you know they hear something.
You're very stupid to use that word on me. Are you
me
okay?
Stupid.
Look
me
at
stupid. You don't die with this, oh. You don't die with this.
Okay, carry your 1.5 leg and move out of my way. What's your problem?
Me 1.5 leg.
Yes, 1.5 leg.
What in this leg they do? You know if you do.
Oh yeah, stand well. Let me stand straight. Let me see.
No be straight and stand like this.
Look at you. You're deceiving yourself. Okay.
You know they go anywhere. What did they worry you? I said they go. Somebody they come inside this company.
What is your problem?
What did they worry you? Huh?
Allow me to see my friend. What's your?
You get friend for here? They go. I said no. Don't
come close to
me. What did they worry you?
Don't come close.
I said come on.
Okay, what is it now?
Come on. Come on.
What is it?
What did they worry you?
Stop it!
Come on.
Don't come close.
Come on.
Oh yeah, move back.
They go. Come out. What did they worry you?
What is it now?
I said come out. What did they worry you? Idiot. Nonsense. I don't shift the bone. Hi! Madam, you just said this work you give me, I'm not going to die on top of him.
Okay, everybody. You're all welcome here. I invited everybody here because I want us to strike an agreement.
About what?
Don't worry now. We're all aware that my mother left you all. You people in charge over me. Right? Which yes. I'm not complaining. I like it like that also. But now, what I want to do now is to give you people money so you people can allow me to go out.
Annabelle, you are not advising us to go against your mother's instructions, right?
Mrs. Philomena Young, calm down now. Calm down. Okay. My mother is not around. She's not here. I just want to go out. What else am I asking for? Am I killing anybody? I just want to go out. We can make full changes. You know how we can do it now. Eh?
Annabelle, you can't. You can't go out. We are not the only ones your mom assigned this duty to. What if people see you out there? It will definitely land all of us in big problems.
Calm down now. Calm down. I'm a girl like you. You're doing this to your fellow girl. Leave that one for me. I'm going to take care of it all. Okay? I'll take care of it. You don't need to worry. All I want both of you to do now is just to stand by me. Just to stand by me. And then leave everything for me. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Okay. That's fine. I'm going to give you people money. Ouch. I'll give you people money. I'm going to give you people 50,000 naira. 50k each. 50k each. Everybody. You people. It's not okay. Okay, 70k. Mrs. Young, 70k. Mirabel, you don't. 100,000 naira. 100k. 100,000 naira. 100,000 naira. Okay, 300k. Please just let me go out. 300,000. You don't
want. Annabelle, we are sorry. We did sorry. Okay. As it did now, no amount of money where you go give us will make us to disobey your mother's instructions. She don't tell us, say, make we not allow you come out these gates.
Okay.
And that's why you go take day. I never disobey your mama before.
Okay.
I don't come disobey him now again.
You're
now.
not disobeying.
I beg.
You're just helping me as your daughter. You're helping me as your friend.
And I make you sit down here. I make you look after you.
If it's you that they do this thing too, would you like it? Would you like it?
Like what?
I'm not a prisoner now. Okay, tell me how much you want. I'll give you people.
Mama. As the day now, I beg. I don't want to leave this place so now. Yeah, my life go finish.
No, now.
I'm not go anywhere. If I chop this 300 naira, where you offer me? What till I can't take my life do after 300?
I'll give you more. Anything you ask for, I'll give you.
I don't come out.
I'll give you more. Okay, tell me what you want now that will better your life. Mirabel, come here. At least do you want this hair? Do you want my wig? Mrs. Ian, come back now. I'm not done talking to you. Come back here. Mirabel, don't flood my orders. You should come back here. Oh. Hey, what am I going to do now? How will I do this thing? How will I do this thing? How can these people keep me here?
Philo, you're here. Annabelle is in your room and she's scattering the whole place. You need to come with me. Come, she's in your room. Hurry up.
I need the key! I need the key! Come back here!
I told you.
Come back here! I need the key! I need the key! Get me the key!
Annabelle,
I want to go out! I told you I want to go out! I need the key! Get me the key! I will hit you! I will hit you! No! Nobody's going in! I need the key! Get me the key! Get me the key!
Annabelle.
Give me the key!
Annabelle, she's not.
You're not coming any close! You're not coming any close! I need the key!
Annabelle, can you calm down?
I'm calm.
You're calm.
I'm calm.
Let's go to the...
Yeah, no. You are not going inside. You're a liar, Mrs. Iya. You're a liar. Even you. Both of you are liars. You're not going inside. You're not going inside. I need the key. Get me the key. Tell me where to get it from. What did you... Oh!
No.
She should not watch. I saw your face. I saw your face. Come back here. I will kill you with my hands! I will kill you with my hands! Metu seller! Metu! Come, please, hurry up. Hurry, please. You need to open this gate. I have a test in 30 minutes.
Yes. Hold on.
Open it up. Get the lock. I'm running late. Why are you looking? Open the gate.
No, be me hold the key. Now they want to try explain things. No, be me hold the key. The key, they don't lock her.
Don't you work with any other person here that holds it?
Madam lock the whole key now. Because even with this one now, I can't give you.
Really?
Yeah, they with the whole key.
Why? Can I have a deal with you? Are you up for it?
Which can deal with that one? This one they worry goes.
Don't worry, it's very simple. I'll give you 500,000 naira.
With the total.
You.
500,000 for it.
Let me explain. You devise a means, any means you can use to get the key from Iyang. Open up the gates and boom! Within a twinkle of an eye, you are a rich man.
Small madam.
Oh yes.
I didn't tell you.
Oh, yes.
If I don't open the gate, boom! You go give me 500.
Easy peasy.
Small madam. Not be me. You want to take practice? I will not take the wine person.
No, come on. I'm not. Come on, don't say that. I swear with my life, I will give you 500,000 naira. Just get the keys.
For what did I do? Just to open gate 500,000.
Things like that can happen.
You serious?
I'm very serious. All right.
Small madam.
I trust you, Metu. Just get the key from her.
Okay, don't worry. I can just go arrange. I can know I want to get the key for you.
That's good. I'll be waiting. Okay. Hurry up. I have to go to school.
Confirm.
Okay.
Small madam.
Yes.
Madam, you're welcome.
Don't you know your job again? Huh?
What did I do you now? What did I do you?
I have been honking there for some moments now and you refuse to open the gates. Are you crazy?
No vex now. Now your mama sent me message. Now the message I go now. I don't
You are meant to multitask. That's why you're here. And don't stop blabbing. Try this next time and you lose your job. Imbecile. Get out!
Oh, but only the whole slap where you dey take the slap me so. Now your cup don't full so. Now me and you go day here. May they teach another student. You no go receive any letter today. What they go tell you? Nonsense. So they stress my sexy leg.
I'm asking you for the very last time, Mrs. Yang. Where is my phone? I need you to bring it now.
Annabelle, I am sorry. I will not give this phone to you until your mother returns.
What did you say? What did you say? I said give me my damn phone! Give me my phone. Oh yes, I did. And I'll do it more and more. And this is what you keep getting day after day. Get out. Oh, please don't give me that look. Leave my room. Okay, you want me to hit this on you? Get my phone! You're giving me that silly look. Something must work. Something must work. I'll keep doing this thing to these people until they get me out of this dungeon. How dare you barge into my room like that?
That is because we have had your stupidity up to our neck.
Are you crazy? Are you mad? How dare you speak to me in such way? Don't try this nonsense again.
Annabelle, there is more to life than this. Do not mistreat myself and Mrs. Yang just because we are trying to help you come out of this mess you're living in.
Oh, really? Did I ask for your advice and that of that old hag, Mrs. Yang? Can't you just mind your business? Huh?
Do not just expect advice from people only from your class. God can use people from other classes to advise you from this.
And stop shouting at me! Who are you? What do you know about me? Stay out of me and stop talking rubbish.
Annabelle, you're really biting more than you can chew. Annabelle!
And what will you do about it? Do you want to beat me? Okay, beat me! Beat me! Oh, be smart, oh. Be smart, Mirabelle. You can't do anything. I will make this house a hellhole for you and that old hag. Mark my words.
Annabelle.
Yes.
You're overstepping your boundaries. You are overstepping your boundaries, Annabelle.
Get out of my room.
Don't take us as fools, please.
Get out of my room. I don't want to do something drastic. Get out.
I don't blame you.
You should blame yourself. This is just the beginning.
Mrs. Yang, I am backing off. I am backing off. I am tired. I am tired of Annabelle. I have decided to let Annabelle have her way. Anything that concerns that girl, count me out.
You know they shout too much. You shout too much. That person house we did. Why you won't back off? You've seen her back out, I'll be back off. No good though. I know they get anywhere. I don't get where I go. I hear they stay. Everything, anything, all the things when madam tell us make what they do. Now madam face we go they look. make her happy. Do all the thing we make call us here to do for her. Eh? I know they mind that small girl. No mind them now. Eh? That small girl they worry her.
Are you serious? Are you not tired?
No.
You're not tired of the slaps, the insults? I'm tired. I've gotten it up to here. I am tired of Annabelle. Do you know that this girl slapped me?
You slapped me too.
And you're ready to stay?
What can I go do?
I'm tired.
That small girl in my hand they burn am.
I am backing up. I'm tired of Annabelle. This is too much.
No, they shout. No, they shout. The person house. Well, maybe your own slap na small, my own big. But still I go there. The girl, small girl with the bomb put for my hand. I carry am. Show am love. That's why I carry am until it come spoil for my hand. And we make I dey happy. I know they happy.
What is the problem?
What is the problem? It's been 1 week since Annabelle left this house and none of you have said anything. Is it fair? Huh?
Uka, what do you want us to do?
Oh.
Our hands are tied in this situation. There is nothing we can do. I mean, how do you want us to change the mind of Annabelle's mom? You've been there, you've seen it. We can't do anything.
We care about her the same way you do.
Tokas, you lie. Okay? You think I don't know you're very happy that Annabelle is not here to restrict your movement? You have right to eat 10 times in a day. You can jump on the couch. Both of you becoming best of friends because Annabelle is not here to caution your movement. You think I don't know you're happy? Eh? Shouldn't we be thinking of how to go see her? Or find out if she's okay or not?
Were you not the same person who told us how you were driven out of the compound? You want us to make this always full effort going to see her? When you know full well that it will end in fertility, what is your problem?
Shh! Shut your trap! You call her mouth! Shut it! Auntie Gwe. Annabelle is our friend. We're supposed to be there for her. That's what friends do for friends. Okay? So don't sit here and talk nonsense. Wait. What did I just hear you call me? Okamaka. Don't you ever, I mean in your life, call me Okamaka. That name is special. Only my mom has the right and the liberty to call me Okamaka. My name is Uka.
Hi.
Hey.
I've been looking everywhere for you.
Oh, I've been here. What's up?
Okay. Well, nothing much. I've been having some difficulties with the topic that we were taught 3 days ago, so I just thought you could help me out.
Oh, that. Do you have it here?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see.
That's the textbook. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Sorry.
Alright, this. So, why exactly do you have issues? Here.
Mm-hmm.
Why do you guys always have issues with solving X?
I don't know. Not everybody's as smart as you.
I think that's a compliment. Thank you. Alright, so I think I see X minus X. Do you know what X minus X is? 0.
Okay. Yeah, I know that now.
And I see X divided by X, 1. Okay, there you got this right. Now, every time you see X, I want you to note this. There's an invisible 1 before every X.
Okay.
Did you get that? Okay. So if you now have 4x times x squared, what do you have?
No
It's
idea.
simple. 4x squared is the same as 4 times 1.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Alright, so just look at what I'm doing. Okay. 3 plus 3 equal 9. Are you listening?
You're beautiful.
Thank you. Can we just focus on why we're here?
Sure.
Plus 4.
Hey.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm looking for Lovette. I've been trying to call her, but her number is not connecting.
Lovette. What is it to Lovette?
We're supposed to study together today. Perhaps she has forgotten, so I just, thought to come remind her.
Can't you study alone? What do you need her company for?
I study alone, alright? I want her to expatiate on a theory that I find vaguely understood.
Impressive. You're so dumb. Like, you want to make Lovette your side tutor. For real.
She promised to help.
Okay. Just bundle yourself and get out of this place the same way you came.
Look, I do not appreciate people talking to me like that. I will not condone it.
Who cares?
What's your tone with me?
Uncle, I don't care. Get yourself out of this place. Nonsense.
So you may say she put something for inside her drink yesterday?
Yeah, so that girl.
Ha! Look what they very careful for inside this house. So that girl fit poison all of herself.
God forbid. She wouldn't try it.
Ha! That's why she come gate, come tell me say, make I open gate for her. Even promise to give me 500,000.
500,000.
Make I open gate for her. I tell her say, no hokey yo. That's how they wine and go this and wine and go this and that's how they play like football, like tennis. I tell her say, Mrs. Inya 9 hold the key. I don't even answer now. She even tired from herself.
Madam, she just come back already because I am tired. I'm tired.
When you know say Madam they come back?
2 days from now.
2 days from now. It's still foul.
Who could that be?
No man that girl. And that one short put where they like stone where David used kick Goliath where they put for catapult through.
Who is she?
He did they knock this gate inside. They tell her say nobody they enter inside this house. He tell me say he must enter. Say they find small madam. I tell her say madam say make nobody enter the house. He nearly fight me for here. Not no name where they get no call me. I don't know why these short girls, short people they get mouth.
She's looking for Annabelle. Open the gate for her now.
You say what?
Go and open the gate.
No be me and you.
Just go.
I no fit disobey madam. Madam say make I no open gate to anybody. Nobody enter, nobody come out.
Just go and open the gate. Maybe she has news for Annabelle from school.
If anything happen for this company, now you go call.
Go and open the gate for her.
No be nice. Say go and open the gate for her. Oh, wow.
It's your one leg.
With your two legs. I don't know why person go that place. You no go tire. Eh? I don't know why person go that place. Okay, from morning to night. You no go tire.
Now? Excuse me. Hello? Who is that girl?
You see the kind of person wey you don't run enter inside. Now you know.
Wait, I'm coming.
No, if you like, you no come. If you like, no come. My own be say, if anything happen for that house, now you cause am. Now you cause am. I go, now you. Now me they go say I open the gate too. In fact, I no go die for now for this house.
How did the gate man let you in?
Immediately that man opened the gate, I just rushed inside.
Hmm? Why would that idiot always behave like that?
My dear, that question that you just asked, if you ask me, what am I going to ask? So what's up? How are you coping? How is everything?
How are you now? My dear.
Babe, I'm not fine now. Seriously, I'm not fine. Anytime I just raise a topic concerning you, you see Lovett and Dorcas, they will never budge. They will act like I'm not even talking to them. All they are interested in is their studies. Anytime I say something about Annabelle, they want to pick up a fight with me.
I just can't wait to leave this place. When I leave here and get back home, I will send those bastards away from my house. I can envisage how happy they will be at this moment.
I need to see how excited they are, because no one is there to stop them from climbing the couch or doing whatever they like to do.
My house, no problem. No problem. Oh, my dear, happiness, excitement is far from me in this place. So, like, I am just binded in this boredom, in this suffering, in this everything negative in this place. The only thing I'm just holding on to now is just memories, which evokes pleasurable moments in my head. Nothing else. But this place, I'm just locked up.
This is not fair. This treatment is not fair at all.
How are you saying it's not fair? You can imagine my mom, assigning that her old maid, Mrs. Young, and also that silly personal assistant of hers to keep watch over me. This is not nice now. It just spoils everything.
Are you serious?
You can imagine now, me, Annabelle. No problem. No problem.
What? This is not nice.
But you see, you know why I'm happy? I'm making this place a living nightmare for them. No one is sleeping.
No, Annabelle.
No one is sleeping.
No, calm down. I think that approach that you're using is not nice. Yes, you need to convince these people that you're a changed person. Get close to them, bother to talk to them. Make them see reasons with you that you're changed. That way they will believe you and trust that you're a changed person, and then they will not monitor you this way.
I'm tired of being nice. I'm taking another dimension now. I'm tired of being nice. I cannot. Meanwhile, do you hold anything, something for me to do?
No, I did not bring anything.
Please, they've locked me out of access to all those ones.
You need to stop it already. Stop it already. Okay, what if I brought something now and then they now see me giving it to you? They will now tell your mother that I've been the one trying to make you indulge in such things. It's not fair.
That's not true. Nobody will catch you. Why didn't you bring something for me?
I brought something. But I won't give it to you here. When we get to the room, I'll give it to you.
Hey, I trust you.
Annabelle, please. You have to go back before I can open the door for your friend. Please. Just go back. Please. I want you to do this stupid boy now. Eh? Maybe they knock that door like that. No build guy house. Now you give me this space for me now. Eh? Anytime you be home, you gonna just say
No! Oh, no! Oh, God! Oh, no, my leg! Oh! Leave me! Oh! Hey, I'm dead! I don't die!
Shut up! Shut up! Where is the key now?
I don't die! Oh! No! No! Hey! Hey!
Please, I am so sorry. I didn't mean to hit her, Mom. Please forgive me. I didn't do it intentionally. You have to believe me, please.
Annabelle, pray that nothing happens to that woman. Before God and man. Should anything happen to that woman, I will make sure you're off in jail.
Mom, no, you can't.
I mean it for what?
Mommy, please, I beg you. I didn't do it intentionally. Please, I beg you. Please, don't say that to me. I'm so sorry, please.
Now you tell me, what has sorry got to fix in this one? I'm asking you. That poor woman is on a sick bed with shreds of life in her. When all she has done is to see you improve for good. Right on this one, Annabelle. I will make sure you gave due consequences.
Mom, please, I beg you.
Now will you stay away from me?
Mom, I'm sorry, please. Mom, oh my God. Please, I'm very sorry for what I did to you. I'm so sorry. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please, Metu, forgive me. I don't know what I don't know what came over me, but please forgive me, please. I'm so sorry, Metu. Can I?
Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Okay,
don't touch me! I go shout up!
No. Please, Metu, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Let me help you up.
Don't touch me!
Okay.
Don't touch me!
Okay.
Don't touch me.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please, I'm so sorry. Metu, I'm sorry. I'll not do it again. I'm sorry, please. Please forgive me. Metusela. I'm sorry for everything I've ever done to you. Please, I don't know the right words to use, but I'm so sorry. Forgive me. You've tried to show me love, give me advice, all the little efforts you've put in, but I let my bitter heart cover everything up. But right now, please, I'm so sorry. Forgive me. I just don't know what to say, but find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm a changed person, please. Mommy, please help me. Tell her that I'm changed. I promise you all. Mirabel, please help me, beg her, please. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
It's all. My daughter did the unimaginable. I mean, if not for God's grace, what would have become of me?
Madam, I won't beg you. Yeah? Hand of God dey inside this matter. God won't use your daughter to teach everybody lesson. Yeah? He won't take your daughter, make everything better for us. Yeah? So I beg, I beg you. Allow her to go back school, go learn. Yeah? Make she go back school, go learn, so that I can take care of you. God now allow me to die so I can take care of you. My work never finished now. I still get plenty work to do here. That's why I no come die. So allow your daughter to go back to school, I beg. So that I can look after you, madam. Yeah?
Yes, ma. Please. Annabelle have learned her lessons. Please.
Now, Mrs. Inya, what if something bad had happened to you? I mean, do you think we'll be here talking about forgiveness?
Nothing bad happened, ma. Please. Let Annabelle go back to school. She's missing a whole lot already. Please.
Yes, ma. She did correct. Nothing happened to me now. You see me, I still smile. I still dey happy. I did my madam house. This one na my life I dey live. Now my life ambition be to be there your house, they take care of you. Nothing happened to me. The thing where me and my sister Mirabel they beg say, allow your daughter Annabelle go back school. Yeah? So I can concentrate. I beg. Thank you. God bless you for me now.
Excuse me! Are you okay? Are you mad? Who are you coming to greet? Huh? Are you mad? Oh. Oh shit. I am sorry. Oh my God, what did I just do now? It didn't come out the right way. I'm just a little nervous. I'm so sorry, please. God, I'm a changed person, and that's the truth.
Yes.
You all should believe me.
I know.
It's a process.
I know,
right?
I know.
I'm changed, honestly. I actually miss you so much. Please, come. I miss you so much. I really do miss you. I miss you so much. I'm so sorry, guys.
No, it's fine, I understand.
What did I just do?
It's okay, you're just tense. Go inside.
I hope they'll understand this.
They will.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'll get your bag, okay? You just go,
yeah,
go.
Please. God, what did I just do?
It's okay, it's reflex. It's okay.
Reflex, it's a process.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, everybody. God.
It's okay. Have you guys seen it? No, have you seen it? You caused it. Whatever reaction it is that you're getting from Annabelle today, you both caused it. I asked you, and I did. I asked you too. I said, accompany me to go see Annabelle. You bluntly refused. So why are you surprised?
What did we do wrong?
Oh, what did you do wrong? It is too late to ask such questions. Excuse me. Excuse now.
I doubt if
Annabelle has truly changed.
Mind you, I'm still here. So watch what you're saying.
Shai told you, see that this is what the man is doing. Even the small boys don't give me high five. Don't worry, the answer's not This is... Okay, imagine. Okay, nice.
Why did you switch it off? This movie is very interesting now.
Annabelle, please turn it back on now. I've been waiting for this movie for the past 1 week.
Can you listen to yourself? You girls are here, watching TV, relaxing, forgetting that we have an assignment on Dawn. And this assignment will be marked as a test. And you all are here. Wait, what's so funny? Do I look like a comedian?
When
did I turn into a comedian?
You were so funny.
Because I'm taking the assignment seriously.
Assignment? What do we do as own assignment now? Long ago, like we finished doing our assignment.
How? Wait. You're done? How? I remember that we were cracking our brains on how to get the answer and we knew nothing, not even a thing. So how come are you girls done?
Anyway, Lovett helped us out. I mean, she explained it in such a way that it was easier to understand, even more than the lecturer's version.
Yes, actually, she did.
Really? What about mine? Why she didn't teach me, she didn't do anything. Why?
You were giving her a cold shoulder. I think you should try making friends with her instead.
Okay, I will act like I didn't hear what you said because I don't need to make friends with any miscreant before she can help me. Okay? She stays in my house. I feed her, like under my roof. So the least she can do to show appreciation is to do this. Where is she?
She just stepped out. She said she's going to tutor someone in school.
Oh no. Mine is on Dawn and she's out there helping someone out, an outsider. We need to go look for her. Let's go.
Get up! What's wrong with you? Let's go there. And you didn't tell me this. And you're relaxing here watching TV. And mine is on Dawn. Do you want me to fail?
So she's been the one. So she's been the reason he hasn't been giving me attention all this while. Oh my God, why me? Why is it that everything I long for is always snatched away from me? Why don't I have a happy ending? I never do. Why?
Annabelle, calm down. You're overreacting. I believe she's just tutoring him and nothing more.
Hey, shh. Keep quiet. Is she the only intelligent girl in our class?
I don't know.
Why does it have to be her that he chose to learn from? Are you okay?
Are you intelligent? Because I know, among the three of us, you are the dullest. The only thing you know how to do is eat.
Are you intelligent? Are you intelligent? Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at your face. Your body, everything shows that you're the most olodo in our class. Olodo rabat. Ojo jalo manje.
Hey, stop it! Did you just say I should leave you alone? Is that what you just said?
I didn't mean it that way.
It's not about you two, it's about me. I need to think straight. You can see I'm pissed.
Is everything okay? I could hear loud voices from outside.
What are you doing with my man? Don't even try to pick it, else I will dismantle your glasses. What are you doing with my man?
Sorry, I don't understand. What do you mean? What am I doing with your man? Which man?
Sammy.
Oh,
yeah.
That?
Sammy, you know him too? Well, what I mean is, we are not that close. He just helped me. He gave me a ride some time ago. We became friends, and today he asked me to help him out with his assignment. That's what I was doing with him.
Lying cheat. You know, you advised me to stay away from men and focus on my studies, right?
Yes.
Which I did. Now you're the same person running after men and frolicking with them. How nice.
Annabelle, I am not running after any man. And as for Sammy, I don't even see him that way. We are just friends. We just studied together.
Now listen to me. I don't care about all you have to say. But I warn you, stay away from my man. I met him first. I loved him first. And you are acting as a stumbling block to that affection. So I need you to stay away. A word is enough for the wise. I won't repeat myself again.
Son, mind those two. They have one evil spirit that follows them from time to time. Just go. Are you sure? Let's go this way. They are still mad.
Love it. Love it. Love it. What are you doing?
Well, I'm trying to make food. I'm really hungry.
Where? Where are you making the food? In the kitchen? Okay, let me sound this as a note of warning. I don't want to ever see you inside my kitchen. I'm already doing you a whole big favor by harboring you in this house. It's so huge for me. So you going into my kitchen, I don't want that. If you want to cook, you go out. If you want to eat, I don't even want you touching my food stuff. Nothing concerning the kitchen. I don't want you entering there, please. I wouldn't want it. And if you want to cook, don't even cook around this premises. You go out, like out of my premises. Have I made myself clear?
But I'm really...
Don't you utter a word. Turn off the gas right now.
Thank you very much, Nana. I really enjoyed the food.
You're welcome, my daughter. So how is school and studies?
Well, school is fine.
So the only problem you have is this girl that you're staying with?
Well, she's not really a problem to me. You know all this rich kid. She has this... Her only issue is that she wants us to, listen to her and do things according to the way she wants. But I can handle her. I've been handling it. She's not really an issue to me.
So is that why she should deprive you of food? Food!
Nana.
Oh.
Don't get yourself worked out about this. Look, I enjoyed eating your own food. So I don't mind coming here every time to eat from you.
You're just saying that to flatter me, Abby?
No, I'm not. Nana, you know you're the best cook in the whole wide world, right?
Okay.
I love your food, so I don't mind.
Okay.
Thank you for the food.
You're welcome, my daughter. You're welcome.
Ah, here you are. I've been waiting for you all day. You're welcome. Lovers, I'm really sorry. I'm sorry about what I said to you last night. It was totally uncalled for and actually childish. I'm sorry.
Annabelle, you don't have to apologize. I mean, this is your house. You're free to set your rules. Whatever rule you want to set, you can do it. I mean, we are living in your house. Your house.
Come on, come. Please sit. Come. Sit, please. Love it, please. I'm sorry, like I just said. Whatever I said last night, please do not take it to heart. You're free to cook and eat whenever you choose. This is actually your house too. So please feel comfortable. I'm really sorry. I need your help.
I knew it. What is it?
I'm so broke and my mother won't even send me my monthly allowance. Her reason being that I'm not serious with my education and her hands are off and all that. And for me to prove to her that I'm really serious, I have to pass. So please, I want you to please help me pass. I don't know what to do with this assignment that will be marked as a test. Please help me. Please, thank you.
I haven't said yes and you already given me the book.
Oh, okay. I thought you... I'm sorry, please.
Okay, I'll help.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Please let me know when you're done, okay?
Hello?
Huh?
Hi.
Yeah?
Are you leaving?
Yeah.
So, how are you supposed to learn?
Oh, okay. But
Annabelle, you need to take this serious.
You won't understand, love it. I'm done with this bad headache. I can't even think straight. I can't listen. I can barely hear myself because my head is actually banging.
I cannot be doing your assignment for you every time. You need to...
Next time.
Why are you in school if you can't make out time to study?
I will learn next time, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you. Just help me, alright? I trust you. You won't understand if you were in my head now. You'll see that it's actually banging really bad. It's too bad. It's turning into a migraine. I'm so sorry. Thank you so much, my darling.
You're so lucky you're not my younger sister. I'd have taught you some manners. Oh God, help me.
What is wrong?
My phone is down. And it seems like my charger is spoiled. Because I plugged the phone all night, but it's still not powering on. My God. And I have really important calls to make.
Don't worry yourself. You charge it in the car. At least before we get to school, you'll have some power.
Which car?
Your car, of course. I thought she's going with us.
I don't understand. When did my car now turn into a charging spot? Have you ever seen me plug my phone to charge in that car? You want to run my battery down?
It's okay, Annabelle. Let's not fight over it, please. I'll just charge you when I get to school.
Listen, no, please. All of you should just comport yourselves, honestly. Stop making me shout like a mad woman. Please. You should know what to say.
Let's go, please. Nobody called you a mad woman.
Charge it in my car. Which car? Did you buy any car for me?
Hi, what's going on? You two are here.
Annabelle, you didn't tell me we're coming to see him.
I don't understand. Is there any problem with that? Since you two claim that you have nothing to do with each other, why can't I stay for the meeting that has to do with class and school projects, right? Huh? No one is talking. Okay, let's sit. Come. I think I'll be needing something. Do you want anything?
Waiter! You should be so glad right now, right? Like you've accomplished your mission, you're so excited.
What is going on here?
I wasn't referring to you, so just stay out of this. You, despite my plea and generosity to you, this is how you pay me back? Huh?
What have I done again, Annabelle?
Take a look at this. Is this what you want me to show my mother to give me all I ask? Huh? Oh my God.
It is still a pass, isn't it?
A pass. But her mark is higher than I. Why? The questions are the same, but she gave me a different answer just to make me get a lesser mark. How cruel of you.
We all got lesser marks than her. You don't expect her to write everything word for word.
Oh, please, can you just stop defending her? It pisses me off. Stop it. Well, I can see that you're always on her side and me. That's fine. You, but rest assured that from this moment, you have nowhere to stay. You are homeless. I don't want to see you close to my house again, and I'm serious about it. Go look for somewhere else to stay. You're such a traitor. Get in the car.
Oh, you... my clothes? Yes, they are. Oh, you thought I was joking? I said I don't want you anywhere close to my house. You feel you have brains to get whatever you want. Now use that same brains you have to get a place to stay. Get out!
What is going on here?
I don't want her close to my house. I don't want her here. I don't want her here anymore. Let her go.
Annabelle, you're taking this too far. And I don't like it. Where do you want her to go from here?
She can go to the moon for all I care. Let her go. I don't want her here.
And you? So what else for? You couldn't talk her out of this. Please, pick up your things. Pick up your things. I will talk to her. Don't worry. Okay? We'll talk to her. I will not allow her to throw you out.
There's no need, Dorcas. It is obvious she doesn't want me in her house.
Are you giving up just like that?
I'm not giving up, Dorcas. What would you have me do? Should I force her to change her mind? Dorcas, it's okay. You've really been a good friend to me. Thank you.
Oh no. Annabelle! Why are you so wicked and heartless? If nobody will tell you, I will tell you. How can you throw out a poor girl over such a trivial issue?
Wait, are you talking to me like this in my house?
I will talk to you anyhow I please. You can tell me how to. I don't care, but I will tell you the truth. What you did is wrong. For the fact that you are privileged to afford all this doesn't give you the right to step on others. And you, supporters club, always supporting her even when she's doing something wrong. A day will come when you will fall victim and no one will plead on your behalf.
You shut up your mouth. Look at how you're fuming like one expired fuel. Look at how you're fuming. Do you even have sense? Annabelle, can you hear her talk? She's even threatening me.
Don't say I didn't warn you.
Annabelle, For a moment, I regret stopping you from throwing that girl out of this house. Imagine the gods.
Come on, you need to be calm. Remember the dishes, the laundry. We need everywhere speak and span. Remember? If not, why would I allow one who is my mom's age living with us?
That one is loud.
Come on, we need everywhere speak and span. So let her have it just for today.
You mean she asked you out of the house just because she scored lesser than you in the test?
Exactly.
How petty can she be?
But I think there's something more which she has refused to voice out.
Really? Something like what?
Come on, Sammy. You and I know Annabelle has a very huge crush on you.
Well, I don't have the slightest crush on her or feelings for her.
That's not what's important now. I just want to go to my Nana's house. Can you just please drop me off at my Nana's house? I'll stay there from now. I'll leave from there and come to school until I get a place of my own.
That's not necessary. You can stay at mine, okay? I mean, check out the proximity from my place to school. It's closer. Yeah, you're welcome. You can come stay at mine.
Your place?
Yes. Look, it's better. Instead of wasting money on transport, it's better you come stay at my place. You can use that money for some other thing, you know? I don't know why I'm even asking. I'm not asking you, I'm telling you.
I need you to jot these things down. Tell Williams we'll be having a meeting with them by 10.
Okay. 10 a.m.
Then the Rotary Club by 12:45. The Motherless. Oh my goodness. Please, I need you to get everything ready. We need to take bags of rice, salt, and beans. Do we have enough provisions?
No, ma.
We do not have.
Yes, ma.
So why didn't you remind me? Must I remind you of everything?
I'm sorry, ma.
I beg, you need to help me. Ma,
get up.
I beg. I don't want to make my sister. I don't want to make my sister die. I beg now.
Get up. Get up, please. Get up. Get up.
Thank you.
Come and sit. Come, Mrs. Young, please. Please.
I don't want to sit down.
Sit! Now, I need you to calm down. What's the matter?
My junior sister go hospital. Oh. Yes. They say they go open her belly, bring out appendix. And doctor say he go do a quick. Unless my sister go there, no make it there.
No, she will not die.
Amen.
Now, how much will the operation cost?
Hey. My mouth no fit carry the mouth. Oh,
come
my mouth no fit talk about. Doctor say na. Doctor talk say na. He talk say na 150,000 naira. Like say the 100,000 you know do you go put 50,000 on top.
Just 150,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Mrs. Inyang, you will not kill me. Your drama is much.
I'm not gonna kill you. You're my calling. I go kill person where I don't serve. I won't kill you.
We need to be fast now because of your sister. Yes, Annabelle, I need you to go to the hospital with Mrs. Inyang right away.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell the doctor that I said he should start the operation immediately. Okay. I'm going to pay for everything. Please dry your tears. I don't want you to kneel. It's okay.
I don't sit again. I don't sit again,
yes,
madam.
please.
Thank you.
Please get going.
Thank you.
Okay?
Oh.
I need you to dry your tears.
Yes, it's dry. Hey, mama.
Do you want anything?
Okay. So tell me why you sent for me. I have somewhere I need to be.
Oh yeah, I'll go straight to the point. I'm sure you've heard the rumors making the rounds on campus about Lovett's death. Well, I'm the one spreading the rumor. Yeah. I found the body.
So, what does all of this have to do with me?
Well, I'll tell you. The man that found the body also saw those that tried to get rid of the body. He said there were two girls putting on masks.
Sorry. Please, don't raise your voice, okay? What is it you want from me? Okay, I'll tell you. It wasn't my plan. It was all Annabelle's idea. She poisoned Lover's drink and had me up out. Sorry, please, I beg you in the name of God, help me. I don't want to go to prison, please. I beg you, please.